In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error 0x000001f8. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you can do is that you need to clear the Microsoft Store cache. By that, press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open this small window called Run. Here, please type for WSReset.exe and click on the OK button. So wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you are done with this, I want you to check if the error has been fixed. However, if the error still persists, then we need to navigate to the next solution, and that is to repair and reset the Microsoft Store app. How we can do that? At the search box, please type for Store. Once you've typed it, wait until you can see the Microsoft Store under the best matched, and from here, make a right click and click on App Settings. Under here, you need to scroll down and then click on the repair and reset. Once you have marked checked here, you need to check as well if the error has been fixed, okay? Now, if you found this video would help you a lot, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.